up, YouTube? This is Mike, living with 3M, and I wanted to bring you a video today. Got just tired of looking at my taillights. Okay, as you guys know, in the past, a few months ago, I decided to take the factory taillights and add trim bezels to the lights. And I had the intent at the time of doing the VHT also. It was sort of a dual mod that I was working on, a customization of the factory taillights. And once I got the bezels on there, I thought, well, let's just go with this for a while and not do the VHT. But the clear reflection or reflector inside the factory taillight is driving me nuts. I cannot stand the clear. So it was time to break out the VHT and do some tinting. Okay, as you guys may or may not know, I purchased the bezels, which actually cover a lot of the taillight. Those are really nice to have, and it makes it look custom. But I have never been a fan of this. I don't want to mess with the taillight. Gonna leave that alone. But this right here drives me nuts, and even possibly the backup light. I do not like clear on the lights. For me, it makes it look cheaper on my truck. So, you know, you guys, you do what you want to on your truck, but I am thinking of going with the Nightshades, little frog tape around, and just spraying just a light coat, just something to knock this bright ass clear white looking on. You know, it doesn't look good to me. It just makes it look cheaper. So I've tried to live with it. Obviously I don't have any chrome. Wheels are milled in the middle, but I just cannot get used to that. So we're gonna go ahead and tape it up and give you guys an after shot. So remember what this looks like now. Even though I know the lens is clean because I just washed it, I want to take some glass cleaner and we're going to clean that again. So prep, guys. All right, got the tape on it. I'm actually going to put some newspaper up here. I'm not going to bore you guys with the action shots of me spraying. It's very simple, so you should be able to just do it. Just remember to tape up really good, even areas that you think you won't reach because of overspray. Just giving you an idea of what I'm fixing to spray. Okay, I have finished and I am extremely happy with the results. That is just a light coat of tint to the outside reflector and backup light. Makes a world of difference. The tail light has not been touched. All right, so we'll go over here and see this that I have not. Touched yet. Okay, there we go. Guys, worth it to do. It is worth it. I am extremely happy with it and the final finished product. Totally custom factory taillights with a bezel and a little bit of VHT Nightshades. Okay, walk back. View of both sides now that have been tinted. So that's VHT Nightshades with the aftermarket bezels, which you can order on Amazon or eBay. So I'm really liking the look. So I'll give you a shot near dark to conclude the video. All right, guys, the sun has not gone down, but I thought I would give a look in the evening without the sun on. I'll go ahead and show you that the tail lights light up perfectly. So yeah, I am 100% pleased. Okay, so that wraps up the video for the tail light mods. If you guys have any questions, comments, please drop them in there and hit like, subscribe. You know that really helps me out, and I appreciate it. I really do. Thank each and every one of you, and I will see you in the next video. There it is.